Hi there, my name is Paige Hombarrier and I'm a sophomore here at George Mason University, and for my IT project I will be talking about 3D printing. Three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing or rapid prototyping, refers to a process used to synthesize solid, physical, three-dimensional objects of almost any shape. The system begins with a digital design or computer-aided design, also known as a CAD file. This is like the blueprint of the object. The object is first divided into paper-thin, cross-sectional slices on the computer that are then sent to the 3D printer. Instead of a subtractive process, this machine uses an additive process to layer materials such as plastic, polymer filaments, metals, and even foodstuffs until the desired project is realized. Along with different materials, you can also choose different patterns and strength, depending on the density you choose for each passing layer, to what is most beneficial for the certain model. The printing process can vary by technology, starting from desktop printers that melt a plastic material and lay it down onto a platform to large industrial machines that use a laser to selectively melt metal powder at high temperatures. The length of time it takes to print can also vary depending on the size of the object. Some objects can take hours, while others could take just minutes. With this process being quick and easy, it can be beneficial to almost anyone. Some common examples of people who use this technology are engineers, students, design entrepreneurs, doctors, dentists, and car manufacturers, as well as many other professions. With dropping costs of this machine, sales have been growing since 2009. There are now roughly 300,000 consumer 3D printers in the world, and this figure is doubling every year. With 3D printers being widely used, more and more manufacturers and companies are seeing increasing numbers with potential benefits in their futures. For example, engineers, whether mechanical, software, or industrial, are now required to have training or some experience with 3D printing for most jobs. This is because it is used every day, helping replicate a model, printing a prototype to give insight, or to replace a part in an operating piece of equipment. There are also benefits in education for students who choose to major in a field such as engineering. In most schools, students are now given the opportunity to design and print their own invention or model. This allows them to enhance their possibilities for learning and express their creative mind. Another area that 3D printers benefit is the medical field. So far, doctors have been able to print tissues with blood cells, synthetic skin, ear cartilage, cranium replacements, prosthetics, and even replicas of tumors to help prepare doctors before surgery. With the assistance of these organic materials, humans are given another chance at life. For example, a team of Dutch surgeons at the University Medical Center in Utrecht replaced the entire top portion of a 22-year-old woman's skull with a customized printed implant made from plastic. Soon there are hopes to print solid organs, such as livers, hearts, and kidneys. With this availability in the hospital, patients will not have to be put on an organ transplant list for some time. They could receive their organ within days or just hours. In other fields, such as manufacturing, using a 3D printer can decrease the amount of time it takes to receive the desired product, making sales increase and double their profit.